Excuse me, what time is it?
It's quarter past 9.
It's 9:15, isn't it?
Yes.
By the way, my name is Hạnh. Nice to meet you.
My name is Nam. Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
So you're 22 years old?
Yes.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
So you're a student?
Yes.
What time do you usually go to school?
I usually go to school at quarter to 7 in the morning.
At 6:45 in the morning?
Yes.
How do you usually go to school?
By bike. I usually go to school by bike.
By bike?
Yes.
How far is it from the room to school?
About 500 meters. It's about 500 meters from my room to my school.
About 500 meters?
Yes.
How long does it take you to get there?
It takes me about 10 minutes to get there.
10 minutes?
Yes.
What time do you usually come back home from school?
I usually come back home from school at 12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock? At 12 o'clock?
Yes.
And the last question, what do you usually do after coming back home?
Well, after going back home, I usually have lunch.
Have lunch.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Được chưa?